Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken noodles. First, select your fresh ingredients, focusing on quality chicken and vegetables. To build a strong foundation, simmer chicken bones with carrots, celery, and onions for at least 2 hours. This slow cooking process extracts maximum flavor, creating a rich and aromatic broth that is essential for a truly delicious soup. Next, prepare your chicken. Cook chicken breasts or thighs until they are thoroughly done, then shred them into bite-sized pieces. In a separate pan, gently sauté diced carrots, celery, and onions until they become tender and slightly translucent. Once ready, carefully add both the shredded chicken and the sautéed vegetables into your simmering, flavorful broth. Now it's time for the noodles. Choose your favorite type. Egg noodles are a popular and delicious choice. Add them directly to the simmering broth and cook until they are tender but still have a slight bite, or al dente. Finally, season your chicken noodle soup generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a handful of fresh herbs like parsley or dill to enhance the flavors. Your delicious homemade chicken noodle soup is now ready to be served. Ladle it hot into bowls, perhaps with a sprinkle of extra fresh herbs. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, making for easy future meals. Before you go, remember to check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.